Did you know that flax is used to make linen fabrics? Three sources are used to make fabric: cotton, flax, and synthetic fiber. In this video, we'll look at flax fiber manufacturing. The flax plant's short growing season is on 100 days from seeding to harvesting. No irrigation and minimal chemical use are needed for growing flax. Since the flax plant has fibers in both the roots and the stem, cutting flax is never an option. It must instead be uprooted. The flax plant is pulled and laid out on the fields by automated grubbers. For many weeks, the flax is stretched out on the fields and exposed to sunlight, rain, and heat. The flax plant is periodically moved to provide an equal drying and retting process. Large bundles of dried flax are taken from the fields. Hackling in the production process is when the flax stem and fibers are separated. The unprocessed flax fibers are combed and refined into an excellent fiber in a number of procedures, so they may be spun into flax yarns of varying quality. Then the flax yarns are supplied to the linen weavers on bobbins as weft and warp yarns. After the quality control approval, the weaving process begins. The creation of the warp beam is the first stage in the weaving process. Bobbins containing warp yarns are wound into a completely mechanized, computerized warping machine. No high-quality flax yarns are lost in the weaving machine because each warp thread on the warp beam must pass through a yarn. At a fast rate of speed, the warp yarns and the wet yarns are crossed. For quality and efficiency control, each loom is connected to a centralized computer monitoring system, where the loom condition cloth after weaving is thoroughly inspected. To guarantee the highest fabric quality, the fabric is checked every meter, and any weaving errors are manually corrected. The majority of the materials undergo finishing treatments including dyeing, bleaching, washing, easy care, fire retardant, or water repellent. Last but not least, the rows are brought into the warehouse on a van so they may be stocked or sent right away to the buyer. This premium fabric linen may be used for a wide range of things, such as canvas for artists, technical fabrics, upholstery and draperies, home decor, and clothing. In the fabric linen manufacturing process, no plant parts are wasted since they are all used. The flax plant may be totally recycled, and its environmental effect during biodegradation is negligible. Next, we will look at the production process in a clothing factory.